Alright, here you go.
For this
I think it's recording.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
He is going to...
We're gonna wake Adam up for losing my woodchuck lighter, which is the sacred lighter of the item 9 smoking. Okay. Follow me, okay?
Item 9 smoking. Focus on Anna. That right? Yeah, that's good.
He doesn't know where he is. There, you ready? Look at it. Over here. Over here. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna be so loud.
Roshi, go. Go.
It's gonna scare the crap out of me. Oh god.
Didn't. Alright, let's just talk about how he did not even wake up to that. Adam, you're drunk. You were so beyond drunk. You even know where you. My God, he didn't even move to a firework. Oh. Okay, bow down.
Is he still breathing now?
Is he waking up now?
This-
He's waking up now.
This man, he doesn't know where he is.
I don't know where.
Props to you, my friend. Props to you. Yes. I mean.